Are you ready for the most irresistible, mouth-watering stuffed mushrooms you've ever had? Stick around because by the end of this video, you will be armed with a recipe that will make you the star at your next party. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with our mushrooms. These are whole mushrooms, portobello style. So what we're gonna do is just kind of pull the stems out on all of these. All right, now that the stems are out, we're gonna get us a cooling rack. We're gonna set the cooling rack down, and then we are just going to cut a small little flat on the back so the mushroom doesn't move, so it's stable, sits in one place. So we'll add that to the rack, and we'll do this to every single one of them. All right, now that your mushrooms are prepped, let's get the stuffing going. So it's a one large tube or medium tube or only size tube of Jimmy Dean sausage. And I will leave this whole recipe in the description below. So one whole tube, you're going to use one whole can of green chilies. Mix that. Then you're going to use 1 cup of shredded cheese in there like that. Then you're going to use our green chili bacon rub. And you're going to do liberal, probably 1/3 cup, maybe a little more. Boom. Like that. Then mix it together. All right, now you can make this ahead of time, or you can do it straight away, but ahead of time is better. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of roll this into a ball, and then we're going to start with one mushroom, and then we're going to stuff it on top. So it looks like that. Nice big old stuffed mushroom. Add it back to your cooling rack, and repeat. So that's why we cut the slit at the bottom to make it flat. So when you set it on a cooling rack, now you can set it in your oven, in your smoker, your grill, whatever you're using, and it's not wiggling all over the place. It's gonna stay in place. All right, now that our mushrooms are stuffed, we have our Green Mountain Grill pellet grill set at 300 degrees. We are going to add these bad boys to the smoker, and then we're going to make a dope sauce for this. All right, the smoker's set at 300. Let's throw these bad boys on. Oof. All right, we'll check on them in 45 minutes. All right, mushrooms are on the smoker. We're letting those roll. We're going to check them in 45 minutes. We are going to make a sauce that's really going to make these things pop. But before we jump into that, if you got any value out of this video and ready to try this recipe, please drop me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, leave me a comment down below. All right, let's jump into it. So 2 avocados, cut, pitted. Now don't worry, this whole recipe will be in the description. Then you throw it in one of these KitchenAid things here. Drop that in there. Boom. All right, then you're gonna do about a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Throw that in there. Okay. Then you're going to do a 1/2 cup, basically 1/2 and 1/2 of a Mexican crema. Throw that in there. Then we are going to use our chipotle mango rub. It really sets this sauce off. It really gives it a pop, a little mango, a little fruitness on top. You're going to do about 2 tablespoons of that, or you're just going to do it to taste. Now, if you don't have chipotle mango, you can catch it down below, or use your favorite barbecue rub, or just salt, pepper, garlic. All right, let's turn this on. However this motherfucker works. All right, well, that ain't working. Yeah. Well, you know what they say, adapt and overcome. So we're gonna do that away. Dump that in here. Get all your contents out. And we're gonna do this by hand, the old-fashioned way. What do they say? Adapt and overcome. So you'll mix this up. It's faster in a chopper, but this will work. All right, let's give it a try. Little avocado, little mango punch in there. Ooh, that's gonna be phenomenal on these stuffed mushrooms. Let's go. All right, 45 minutes in, let's check them out. Ooh, they look good. Got some good color on them. Let's check the temp. 130, 120. All right, let's give these another 10 minutes and we'll check them out. All right, let's check the temp on these. Oh yeah, 150, 158. Let's pull those suckers off. They're ready to go. Man, these look good. Let's grab our sauce. They've been resting about 10 minutes now. And so we're gonna add some sauce to one. Ooh, God, that looks good. All right. If you really enjoyed this recipe, wait till you see what I got cooking next. I'll catch you on the next episode. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.